Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to display calendar events in a table with WordPress. Let's get started. So I have in here two events, and if I want to display them, I need to head over and just add them on the page. Now click on this plus right here and search in here for events. Now you should be able to see in here the events that you have. So we have in here events categories, event countdown, events list as well, or you can also just choose in here the events details as well. So for example, for this one, let's just in here this event categories. Now we can add them right here if you want. Now another thing that you can do is you can head over and add a new thing, but let's add in here the events list. Now let's head over and click on this right here. You can see that we have now additional options. You can add events from Calendly, add events from Google Calendar, or just add in here these tickets that you can use. So let's choose in here this events list, and then let's add it right here. And then you should be able to see it from in there. Now, as of right now, it will appear blank, but once you head over and publish it, it should be able to show in here. You can now see the upcoming events, and you can view the calendar by clicking on this link right here. And then you can see here a brief summary of that particular event. Now, if you want to add in here a table, you need to click on this plus icon right here and just put in here event again. Now you can add a calendar event from your Google Calendar. So just head over and add it from in here. Now you should be able to just put in here the URL if I'm going to embed in here the calendar that you want to share. Now this events right here, you just need to add them to your calendar in order to display them in a table manner at Google Calendar. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.